Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed about the qualitative characters to study the community structure. Now we are going to discuss it further. Here another character of qualitative is the life forms, that is also called growth forms. Ronquius divided life forms into following heads. 5 broad life forms are there: phanerophytes, chamephytes, hemicryptophytes, cryptophytes, or therophytes, which can be understand on this behalf of this diagram. It is based on basically how the birds are protected at what level. Phanerophytes are those plants, either trees or shrubs, whose birds are or pollinating birds are in the form of birds, and they are situated above the ground level and protected. And in case of chemophytes, these parenting birds are at the ground level. In phanerophytes, they are above the ground level, and in case of chemophytes, it's up to the surface. And in case of hemicryptophytes, the birds are situated under the ground, and half portion is under the ground and some portion is out of the ground. So in this way they are protected. And in case of geophytes, they are modified into form of bulbs, tubers, rhizomes, and in this way these birds are protected under the ground. And in case of therophytes, therophytes are basically those plants which complete their life cycle before the adverse condition comes. So in this form they are in the form of the seed. Next characters are the synthetic characters, which we have discussed here. Synthetic characters are: first character is the presence and constants, how much percentage amounts of sampling unit is present. If the percentage is 1 to 20% of the sampling unit, then we said that the particular plant species is rare here. Next, 21 to 40% there will be a seldom present. If there is a 41 to 60% of distribution, they are called often present. And if there is 61 to 80%, they are mostly present. And if there is 81 to 100%, they are constantly present. In case of fidelity, fidelity is the degree with which a species is restricted in its distribution to one kind of community. It will found or not, it depends on the environmental condition. Fidelity 1 group plants appear accidentally. In fidelity 2 group, indifferent plants may occur in any community. They can be in any community. In case of fidelity F3 group, they occur in many communities, these type of plants, but predominant in one. And in fidelity F4 group, especially present in one community but may occasionally occur in other communities as well. In case of fidelity 5, occur only in one particular community and not in others. They are exclusive in nature. In case of another character is the dominance on the behalf of density frequency dominance, which we have earlier studied. When we combine this with reference to all species, it becomes relative density, relative frequency, and relative dominance. And through this data we can calculate the IVI index, that is called importance value index, which give an idea about the how relative density, relative frequency, and relative dominance of a community structure. So this is about this. And next topic is, we will discuss here the, when previously have studied about the Ronquius life form. On behalf of it, we can draw the biological spectrum. Biological spectrum represents the percentage distribution of species among the various life forms, how they are distributed. So in this diagram we can understand this. This is the standard biological spectrum. Here are therophytes, geophytes, hemicryptophytes, chamephytes, phanerophytes, and this is the number of species in the flora. If 46%, phanerophytes, chamephytes 9%, hemicryptophytes 26%, geophytes 6%, and therophytes are 13%. This is the standard spectrum. When this is compared with another spectrum according to community structure which is studied, it can be understand through this, that here our number of phanerophytes are 12, chamephytes are 21, hemicryptophytes are 20, geophytes are 5, therophytes are 45. So it becomes it shows that which type of plants are present. So xerophytes are in large amount, that is 42%. So it represents the biological spectrum of a desert, because xerophytes are desert plant, basically a desert plants. So the higher value of xerophyte showing that the climate of the area is deserty. So this is a comparative account of biological spectrum, through which we can study about the community structure, which type of community is present at a time there, and which type of environmental conditions are there. So it is all about the community ecology that we have studied here in relation to the environment and their characters, biological forms, life forms, biological spectrum, etc. Okay, thank you.